Well, I guess it's getting towards the end of the storm, so I guess it is, already. I guess it was a nice day. I mean, besides all that snow and stuff, but again, we did this earlier this morning, and as you can see, yeah, snow blowing, it really did make a bit of a difference, especially over here. I'm trying to zoom in here. It's not letting me. It's pretty cool though. The giraffes of it, just Auntie's truck is buried or blocked, more or less. And then this is the house. Like over here is the street. See, we all did that. Yeah, Uncle Rick did that today and it didn't work. That's the house. That's the roof. That's the porch. I swept. There was still a lot of snow, no matter what I did to it. The snow was pretty much all the way up to here. So we had a good snowstorm. I think it was good, especially because we haven't had one in a while. So yeah, this is the only snowfall of the year. It's pretty cool. It's very smooth. Hope everyone had a safe night, and it's another safe day tomorrow. Thank you for viewing and sharing my videos. Appreciate it. To all the people in Ocean City, I hope everyone's safe over there, because that water could freeze. So everyone in Ocean City, be careful. Sending my thoughts out there and wishes. So I guess over here, I don't know, that looks pretty cool. That guy did something. That's pretty cool. Like, he plowed it, but then it didn't do nothing. But just want to wish everyone a good night. Be safe. And these guys over here are starting a fire. From what it looks like. In the middle of a blizzard, they're starting a big ass fire. I don't understand that. Huh. It's gonna go massive in a minute. Huh. Anyway, interesting neighbors. Have a good night, everyone.